Some narrations mention that Shaitan attempted to test the patience of Dhul-Kifl. He tried repeatedly to provoke anger and frustration within the Prophet, but Dhul-Kifl remained calm, patient, and steadfast in obedience to Allah. With every passing day, he continued to judge between people with honesty and wisdom. His unwavering character inspired trust among the community. Gradually, justice began to replace corruption among the people. The trials of patience only strengthened the resolve of Dhul-Kifl. He fulfilled every promise he had made before Allah. Because of his sincerity, Allah honored him among the righteous and patient prophets. The story of Dhul-Kifl salam teaches that patience is the foundation of justice. True leaders control their anger, keep their promises, and remain sincere to Allah. And those who remain steadfast in faith and discipline are raised in honor by Allah.